So you've got a wall to paint and you need to prep it first. Prepping it is such a big umbrella term, but what you need to do for your wall really comes down to the condition that it's in before you paint. So the first thing you really need to do is go in and inspect what it's like. So for me, I've gone in and inspected this wall and I can see there's some grubby marks from my children's feet. I can also see that the decorations I put up for my daughter's birthday have pulled paint away from the wall. So that's really where I'm going to focus a lot of my prep today. I need to go in and give it a light sand and then put some spack filler on, allow it to dry, and then come in, sand it. One of the steps that you need to do before you can paint is to clean your wall. So if you are going full scale wall, then the best options that you have are either diluting some sugar soap in a bucket and giving it a wash, or using triclinium to do the exact same thing. But the difference between these two is with the triclinium, you're going to need to come in with water and wash off everything so there's no residue left behind. Because I've only got a portion of the wall today that's grimy and grubby, I'm opting for sugar soap wipes. I personally love these. These are a game changer. They're great if you're in the middle of painting and you get a drip on something to wipe it up, but they're also great when you need to do some spot cleaning, even if you're not painting. When it comes to tape, there's so many options to choose from, and we get how overwhelming that can be. But there's basically a tape for every type of project that you're doing. But a general DIYer is only ever going to really need your green tape.